Stupid Uber app thinks I'm in Africa. I'm online. Check out my account info. Alright, let's go offline. There you go. Now go online. And let me show you location. GPS is on. Wi-Fi icon for better precision. Location is also on. I'm in Africa. There is no way to find the location. And what's funny, when it crashed, I just got a trip and restarted the app. Didn't show anything, and I updated the app to the phone, restarted the phone. Got phone call from passenger, and she told me she was in a hotel. So I drove to the hotel, and app still didn't work. So I went into the lobby to apologize, and Dordem started putting her and her girlfriend into the back seat. And I said, "Can I take you?" Stupid Uber app not working. Oh, there you go, GRUBHUB. $10 trip offer. I don't want it. Tokaya Organic Garbage Restaurant. They're disorganized, 20 people making little tacos, and it takes them half an hour to make 3 tacos to go. Tokaya Organic Garbage Restaurant. Never will accept it. Oh, what should I do with this Uber app? Pathetic. I'm in Africa. Never wanted to go to Africa, and never will be by my will. I don't need to Africa. Alright. Stupid Uber app.